Hi students, good afternoon to all. So now we continue the same chapter, surface area and volume, conversion of solid, one shape to another. So now we see example number 10. So a copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. So thickness means you need to find out the diameter. Okay, so diameter is the thickness of the wire. So you can see copper rod and then wire. So both it seems to be, it's look like a cylinder. So a copper rod you need to melt and make it as a wire. Okay, so what is the thing is equal? The volume of both are equal. So volume of a copper rod and volume of a wire both are equal, and the same thing the material seems to be different. Is this one is rod and another one is a wire, but it seems to look like both are in cylinder. So now we move on to the solution. So clearly we given copper rod can be changed to wire. So copper rod, the diameter seems to be 1 centimeter, radius is half of the diameter is 0.5 centimeter, length, that means height, okay, 8 centimeter. So here this one we take it as a second, so R2 and H2. Length H1 which is equal to 18 meter, I convert this into centimeter, 1800 centimeter. So thickness R1. So why I take this R1 and R2? So we need to find this one. So I keep this wire as left. So volume of wire is equal to volume of copper rod. So always if we find which material we need to find or which value we need to find, that one you keep it in a left, it is very easy to solve. Okay, so copper rod and wire both are cylindrical shape. So volume of a wire it seems to be pi R1 square H1. So volume of copper rod pi R2 square H2. So you need to find this R1 square. So again I just take it out in the right hand side. So pi R2 square H2 pi H1. So pi will get cancelled, remaining R1 square which is equal to R2 square H2 divided by H1. So what is R2 square? R2 square is nothing but 0.5 centimeter square. The square means you need to multiply twice. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 8. So 1800. So you can multiply this to, you get 0.25. And you multiply with this 8, you get 2. So 2 divided by 1800. So 2 divided by 1800 means now you just cancel. 1 2 is 2, 9 2s are 18, remaining 900. So answer seems to be R1 square is 1 by 900. So you take a square root like this. Square root of 1 divided by 900. So square root of 1 is 1 and 300 is 30. So 00 means only 1 0. 9 means the square root of 9 is 3. So 30. 1 by 30 is the answer. So radius of the wire is 1 by 30. We need to find out the thickness. So thickness is nothing but diameter. So what is meant by diameter? 2 times of a radius. So 2 times of a radius is equal to the diameter. So I can multiply with the 2. So 1 2 is 2. 15 2s are 30. You get 1 by 15 centimeter. So this is the thickness. So this one can be approximately thickness of wire approximately 0.67. So now we can see example number 11. A hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 4 by 7 liters per second. So per second how many liters is emptied? 4 by 7 liters per second. So how much time will it take empty half the tank if it is 3 meter in diameter? Okay, so we need to find out first how much volume, what the capacity of the hemispherical tank. So how much we have to empty? We need to empty only half of the tank. Okay, so what is the shape is this? This is a hemispherical tank. So diameter, given diameter seems to be 3 meter. So how the radius? Radius is half of the diameter. So 3 by 2 meter. So what is volume of a tank? So volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of tank is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. So 2 by 3 pi r cube, the value of pi seems to be 22 by 7, already given in the question. Pi we need to substitute here, 22 by 7, and radius is 3 by 2 meter, radius 3 by 2 meter. So just you have to substitute 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, means you need to multiply the radius into 3 times. Okay, so 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So normal cancellation. So 2 will get cancelled, and another 2, 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22, and 3. So what is remaining? Remaining seems to be 11 into 3 into 3 and 7 into 2. So 11 into 3 into 3, 7 into 2. So now you need to multiply these 3 values. You get 11 3s are 33. So 33 into 3, 99. Divided by 7 2s are 14. So 99 by 14. So how much water we need to complete? So the volume of water emptied. So this 99 by 14 is volume of a tank. So 99 by 14 is volume of a tank. So volume of a tank is equal to 99 by 14 liters. So volume of water emptied, only half of the tank. So half into 99 by 14, you get 1 into 99, 2 into 14, you get 28 meter cube. Okay, so that it seems to be meter cube. So now it can be calculated into liters. So 1 meter cube, which is equal to 1000 liter. So it seems to be how much the volume? So 99,000 divided by 14. As usual, same. Just you multiply with the 1000. So 99,000 divided by 14 liter. So half of the tank means you need to take, you got 99,000 divided by 28. So here you convert meter cube to liter, you just multiply with the half. Otherwise you convert here means you multiply with the 1000 here. No problem. So 99 by 28 into 1000, you get 99,000 divided by 28 liter. So, and first in a given question they have to showed how many liters? 3 4 by 7. It seems to be 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. So 25 by 7 liters emptied per second. So time taken. Okay, time taken to emptied 3 4 by 7, which is equal to 1 second. Okay, tank emptied by the rate 1 second. Tank emptied by the rate 1 second, which is equal to 3 4 by 7 liters. That means 25 by 7 liters. So 99,028 divided by 28 liters, how many seconds it will take to emptied? So time taken to emptied 99,000 divided by 28 liters, which is equal to 99,000 divided by 28 divide 25 by 7. Okay, 25 by 7, it seems to be the liters of per second. So you can divide by this, means you got a timing. So now you know the how to divide. So divide symbol becomes multiplication 7 by. So 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28. So the remaining 99,000 divided by 4 into 1 by 25. So 99,000 into 1, 99,000, 4 into 25, 100. So now you cancel this 2020, remaining you get 990. So 990 seconds. So you need divide by 60, it change over into 16. So it takes 16.5 minutes. So totally a tank, the hemispherical tank, that is half of the hemispherical tank emptied by 16.5 minutes. So in the same chapter, now we move on to the exercise 13.3. First question. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Find the height of the cylinder. So here what are the different shape? One is sphere. Another, this sphere can be recasted into cylinder. So sphere can be recasted into cylinder. So because of this conversion, the shape is different, and which one remains the same? Already I told the volume remains same. So here you need to find out the height of the cylinder by comparing the two volume. Okay, by comparing two volume. So I just give the hints to you. Now I explained this one. Sphere can be recasted into cylinder. You need to find out the height of the cylinder. So first you need to take volume of a cylinder. Instead of volume of sphere, you take first volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. So volume of cylinder equal to volume of sphere means, so you need to compare this two formula. So you know that the formula, it seems to be pi r square h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So which value you need to find out? You need to find out h. So remaining, you already I told you no need to substitute the value of pi. Okay, you know the radius of sphere and you know the radius of cylinder. So this one cylinder and this one is sphere. So here you can see radius, it seems to be 4.2, that is sphere, and radius 6 centimeter, it seems to be cylinder. So just you have to substitute each and every. So pi into 6 square into h, 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, it seems to be 4.2 cube. So you can keep this h and remaining values, it goes to right hand side and you make cancellation everything. So I have to explain 75% of the question. Okay, so you must solve this question as your homework. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching our channel. This video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுனா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன்